Today we are going to see the demo for Scrap Connect Collections Dealers Recycler MERN web application. Now let's see how to start the project. First open the MongoDB. Here you can see your DB. Click the DB name. You can view the collections. Collections can have the data. For example, if you want to see the user details, click the user collection. Here you can see the user's details. Next, go to the Visual Studio Code. Here you can explore your project folder. Here we have three folders: backend, client and DB. First explore the backend. Backend can have the models and routers. Explore the models. Model is nothing but model can have the field names. Then explore the router. The router can have the get, put, post source code. Next, explore the client folder and then explore the SRC components. Here you can see the React.js components files. Click the file name, you can see the source code. Next, go to the readme text. Here you can see the steps for how to run the project, and then you can see the login details. Now we can run the project. First open the new terminal. Here we have to run the backend and client. First run the backend. First enter the correct path. Now we have to install the node models. Copy the npm install and paste to the terminal. Once you do that, the node models will be installed. I have been already installed, so I will run the backend. Copy the npm start and paste to the terminal. Now the database connection is ready. Next, run the client. Now install the node models. After that, copy the npm run dev command and paste to the terminal. Here you can see the project URL. Copy the URL and paste to the browser. So this is our project homepage. Here we have 4 roles: admin, user, scrap and recycle. Let's start with admin. Copy the admin email ID and password and paste here. So this is the admin homepage. Admin can view the scrap dealers and recycler details for give the approval. If it is pending or rejected means we cannot do the login. Once it is approved means we have to log in the scrap and recycler. Here you can using the search option. Here you can search any field wise. Next, admin can view the scrap business details and then give the approval. Once admin can give the approval, it will be shown in user side. Otherwise, it will not display in user side. Then click the show map. so admin can see the location. Next, admin can view the user profile details, and then click the view recycle report. Admin can view overall recycle report details. So this is admin role. Next, move to the user. Before you log in the user, you have to register. Go to the register now. Here you can enter all the fields for user registration. Select the role and then enter the name. Then enter the email ID, password, mobile number, address. Once you enter all the fields, click the sign up button. So the password should be in 8 digit. It must contain one capital letter, one special character, and then numbers. Now register successfully. If you already registered, you have to log in. Here also you have to register. Now log in the user. So this is a user homepage. Here we have several models. Let's start with the find scrap dealers. User can view the scrap dealers details. Here you can using the search option. Here you can search any field wise. Here you can give the pickup request. Here you can enter the name and then enter the mobile number. Once you do that, click the submit request. So once you do that, the pickup request will be submitted successfully. Here you can see your pickup request details. Once you give the pickup request, the latitude and longitude will be automatically updated. Then click the show map. Here you can see the location. After scrap dealers update the status, then you can view the updated status. If you want to give the feedback, you can post here. Here you can enter the name and then enter the feedback. Once you do that, then click the submit button. So once you do that, your feedback will be posted. Then click the show map. Here you can see the scrap dealers location. Then go to the post scrap bit details. So user can post bit details here. Here you can enter the customer name and then mobile number, waste type, quantity, condition, and then enter the description. So the UPI ID and the QR code is optional. So once you fill all the field, then click the submit button. So it will be created successfully. So whatever you have been created, you can view here. Here also you can using the search option. If you want to edit anything, you can do it here. And then click the geo map. It will update the current location. Now the location will be updated. Then click the show map. Here you can see the updated location. If you want to edit any image, you can do it here. Then go to the update status. Here you can update the status, whether it is active or closed. If it is closed, means it will not display in scrap dealer side. Next, go to the my bit request. Here you can see your bit request details. Here you can update the status, whether it is pending, accepted or rejected or cancelled. Then go to the my profile. Here you can see the user profile details. If you want to edit anything, you can do it here. So this is a user role. Next, move to the scrap dealers. Here also, before login you have to register. So if you already registered means you have to log in. So this is scrap dealers homepage. Here also we have several models. Let's start with the post scrap details. Here you can enter all the fields for add the scrap details. So first enter the name, mobile number, and then enter the address, city, so once you fill all the fields, click the submit button. So the scrap details created successfully. So what are the scrap details you have been created, you can view here. If you want to edit anything, you can do it here. And then click the geo map, it will update the current location. Then click the show map, here you can see the update location. Next, go to the user pickup request. Here you can see the user pickup request details. Here you can update the status. And then click the show map. Here you can see the user location. Then go to the find scrap by team. Here you can see all the bit details. If you want to give the request, you can do it here. So go to the request bit. Here you can enter the field and then click the submit button. So enter the name, mobile number, and then enter the pricing. So once you fill, then click the submit button. So it will be added successfully. What are the bit requests you have to post it, you can view here. So once the user update the status, then you can see the updated status here. Then go to the find recyclers. Here you can see the recycle details. Then go to the my feedback. Here you can see the user's feedback. Then go to the my profile. Here you can see the scrap dealer's profile details. If you want to edit anything, you can do it here. Next, move to the recycler. So this is a recycle homepage. Here we have 4 models. Let's start with the post recycle details. Here you can enter all the fields for post the recycle details. So enter the eWaste type, quantity, and then enter the recyclable parts, and then recycling method, and then select the waste condition. So once you fill all the fields, then click the submit button. Once you do that, it will be posted. So whatever you have been posted, you can view here. If you want to edit anything, you can do it here. Here you can upload the proof image. Then go to the find scrap dealers. The recyclers can find the scrap dealers details. Then click the show map. Here you can see the scrap dealer's location. Then go to the My Profile. Here you can see the recycler profile details. If you want to edit anything, you can do it here. So this is a scrap connect collection dealers recycler MERN web application.